Welcome back to my channel. I got a couple updates I'm gonna do. Something I thought I'd never buy, but they're coming a long way with their technology. I was sold based on the performance I've already seen of these amps. I was afraid of them catching fire and burning my car down. I looked at the that video from Sam. If you haven't seen it, but he does this review on the Smart 5K base. That's pretty much what my determining factor was. As you can see down there, I have my sundowns in my fourth order. This is how it comes when you get these amps. It comes with your warranty. I haven't opened this, I just took off the tape. And here's your big ass Taramps logo. Look at that thing. That is a freaking beast. So here I'm gonna take this out. This is how it looks. And this is why I got it. Yes, the other version, the 1 to 2 ohms, produces more power, and the configuration is a little different. Overall, it's the same amp. It comes with the bass knob. It's right here. Look at the not bass knob. I'm sorry. The indicators, the clipping indicators, and that's big. So it doesn't have the knob. In correction on that. But it's okay because I have the bass potentiometer that's connected to the RCA's outputs. I think that's the Dillinger SPL. I forget what the street leads from. I forget who I got it from. Spiel Cartel. That's who I got it from. So this is gonna be replacing the AW 5000.1 Wolfram. This is going to be feeding these sundowns. Stay tuned. I'll follow this video up with another video here shortly.